Hi, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today, we're going to learn how to view your buyer's notes so you can successfully cater to your customers' requests. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Sales and go to Orders. Look for the order, the note of which you'd like to view. Orders with notes usually have this text bubble icon next to their names, such as in this case. If you want to fully view it, click on it, and it should lead you to the order page. Here on the right side, you should see the customer's note. And that's it. That's how you view your buyer's notes on your Wix site. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.